Hey guys, welcome back to Ray's Extreme Engines. Again, I'm doing this video a little bit different because I don't have anybody to record for me right now. And I just unboxed the Fitech Ultra Ram. This is for a small block Chevy, 350 or larger, possibly a 305 too if you wanted to do that. But I probably wouldn't recommend that because it is set up for up to 600 horsepower. You're not going to get that out for 305 unless you boost it like to the sky, you know. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video. And if you're not a paid subscriber, hit that join button. If you click on that join button, you can go to the least one, the one that fits your budget. And what I will do is I'm going to do a video putting this system in a Stroker 383, step by step, the installation, everything, even the initial start, so you can see how this Fitech actually works, or if it doesn't work. Hopefully it does work. I haven't heard much reviews about it, so I'm going to do a review on it, and we'll discuss it and see how it works. So again, here we are. This is the Fitech Ultra Ram. As you can see, here it is. The injectors, when I got it, the injectors were already installed. And supposedly maybe they did that at the factory, or here it is. As you can see, it's pretty solid. It is a solid, and of course all your vacuum ports are there. You can either plug them or use them. And of course this back one is for your map sensor. So here you go. As you can see on the inside of the runners, what they look like. It is solid. As you can see the welds, you can see how they put it together. So there you go. I just wanted to share that with you. This one, and of course here's your wiring harness. And I know this can sometimes freak people out on wiring, because wiring sometimes is not people's favorite thing to do. It's not mine either. I'm actually wiring an entire truck from front to back, and that's no fun. So here's the wiring harness that comes with this. There's also your stand to mount your screen here that I have here. I'll get to that here in a second. Here's your throttle body. This is a 92 millimeter. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Comes with all the sensors already in. So there you go. This is for your cable. This actually goes in between the throttle body. This to hold your cable, your throttle cable. So this came with the Fitech ECM, pretty small. I don't know how long those wires are. I'm hoping I can mount this inside the cab, possibly in the glove box, and put it in there. I really don't want it out there in the heat. Although it should be fine to be out there in the engine bay, but that's just my opinion. I'd rather have it inside, but we'll see what happens. So here you go. It comes with all your fittings, your vacuum fittings. Comes with to mount your oxygen sensor. I purchased a different one. I'm trying to see what I did with it. Yeah, here it is. I purchased one that I can weld. I'm going to weld this one on the header. I just think it's going to be a better seal, but I've used this before and I haven't had an issue. It didn't leak because it does have a gasket there. It comes with your fuel line. Here's your fuel line, which it goes in the back just like this. So it goes in the back of the plenum. So it goes back here in the plenum. Like I said, you'll get all that when we start doing the detail installation. Here's your oxygen sensor. It comes with a brand new one. Comes with a cable in case you want to do, if you want to do your own tuning. You can hook this up to your laptop. You can do that. It comes with some tape, Teflon tape, and here's your fittings for your temperature sensor. And here's your temperature sensor. Here's your map sensor. Of course, it comes with your cable for your Fitech screen to do the initial start. And I'll discuss that on the other one as we start doing it. It also comes with intake gaskets. It does come with its own intake gaskets, so you don't have to purchase them. And of course, all your instructions. That's for the Fitech, the handheld user manual. This is your installation guide. It comes with all that. So there you are. It comes with all this to do the initial. I mean, this is a complete kit all together. All you need is a motor and a distributor. I'm going to use the MSD, MSD coil, MSD 6AL with the rev limiter in it. So it comes with all that. And this is supposed to be also with the rev limiter anyway. So I enjoy doing burnouts. I enjoy getting on it to see what it does, and I'd rather have a rev limiter because you can over rev it. So here you are. This is what it looks like, and this is what is going to be on the 383. I wanted to share this with you so you can see this and see how it. It says a HEI would fit. You see the distance on there, so it might fit. It should fit. But I'm going with the smaller distributor. So again, if you're not a paid subscriber and you want to see how this is going to be installed, if you want to learn how to do engine building, transmission building, diagnostics, tuning your own vehicle, whether it be carbureted, setting your timing, setting valve lash, and so on, especially diagnostics. I know a lot of you guys want to know how to diagnose your own vehicle, because I've had messages of saying, well, mine is knocking. I don't know if it's a lifter. I don't know if it's a rocker. I don't know if it's a bearing. I don't know what it is. Well, I'll show you how to diagnose that. In fact, I'll do it on my test stand, and I'll have some just like that so you can hear them. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.